Hi everyone, hope you're all well. So the latest Zoopla house price index has dropped into my inbox this week, and I thought I would share some of the statistics with you. Obviously, this isn't a local basis, this is more national, but it does mirror kind of what we're experiencing on a local basis as well. So just looking at my notes down here, buyer demand is up 25% from last year. I think that predominantly is due to a bit more confidence in the market and mortgage rates being that little bit less expensive. After the Truss Kwarteng budget, we saw typical 5-year fixed rate jump to between 6 and 7%. So at the moment, the typical 5-year fixed rate is at 4.3%. That's the average, so quite a bit different. Sales agreed up 25%, obviously kind of mirroring the demand from buyers. The supply of property is up 16%. I think this is possibly what's keeping a bit of a lid on prices. You will notice that house prices have not really increased very much. They're saying that 0.7% is house price inflation at the moment. Not very exciting, but it does mean that house prices aren't falling. They're pretty stable. But there has been a big supply of new properties coming in the market. And the average agent is carrying around about 12% more stock than they were a year ago. It's obviously in line with the big supply of new properties actually coming into the market. I think what's really interesting in all these numbers is that 32% of properties are now currently chain free. That's an extraordinarily high number. It's usually probably around 10 or 15%, so double, I guess, what we'd normally expect. I think a lot of people who have got 5-year fixed or 2-year fixed rates coming to an end, and they've got some big new rates to be paying, are wanting to move on as quickly as they can. And that does mean sometimes, to speed things along, they are actually breaking the chain. Also, there's a big supply of flats in the market currently, which are empty due to landlords actually coming out of the buy-to-let market and selling them instead. And there are no chains on those properties, obviously. So that is another factor there as well. Now, what we're seeing locally does mirror those numbers. We've seen, obviously, a big supply of new properties coming in. House prices are pretty stable locally. We are seeing demand for good quality semi and detached properties, 3 and 4 bedrooms, pretty even. There's a good number of buyers looking for those type of homes currently. So if you are thinking about moving and you've got a property to sell, then obviously we'd love to hear from you. 02 08 763 8060, and I can pop over and give you some more advice. But hope you found this information helpful. And if you would like to see a copy of the house price index, then do give me a call and I can forward one on to you. Have a great day and speak to you soon. Bye now.